Well, I definitely know that they have planned against me, so I'm really happy. At least they are, coming up with a plan against me to get me out. So I feel very overwhelmed, and I take it as a challenge because you see, I thrive under pressure, and also, it really motivates me to go against them. And they set an attacking field, which really helps me to score more runs. So I take an advantage of that, and I see to it that I make the best use of it. Well, definitely, we had this optional practice today where, few of our bowlers went for practice, and also the batsmen, they went for practice. So definitely, we are working on some routines and processes which haven't gone well for us in the last few games, and I'm sure that it's just the transition phase from 2020 to one day. It's really difficult, especially for the bowlers coming in and bowling 10 overs on a trot, and also fielding for 50 overs. So it's not at all easy from their point of view, and you see, there are many more matches coming ahead. So I'm sure that they will come back really stronger and with a positive frame of mind. We'll see. The two losses, we are going to take it very positively because we played a really good cricket in terms of batting. Obviously, the bowling wasn't up to the mark, but I'm sure that the bowlers, they are really positive with their work ethics, and also when we hit the gym today and the practice session, we could see few of the bowlers really going out there and practicing with certain plans, and the meetings have been spot on. So we are very much determined to go out there and win the next game and see to it that we don't have a clean sweep. Well, to be honest, I really don't know what's the talk going on, but if you see the amount of workload that they've gone through in the IPL, playing continuous 14 games, and then after that, coming here, staying in quarantine. So definitely it plays in your mind, and it plays with every individual in the team. It's not just the bowlers, but I'm sure that they are world class bowlers, and with the set of mindset, with the mindset they have, they'll definitely come back strong in the next game. And you know, I really believe in them, and also the coaches who've been working with them. So yes, I wouldn't like blame them for any other reason, but yeah, I'm really happy with the work ethics they've shown at the practice.